Welcome to Stocks Visionary channel. Before we start, don't forget to click the subscribe button. Josh Mandell, a former Wall Street trader with a background at firms like Salomon Brothers and Caxton Associates, has gained significant attention in the cryptocurrency community for his bold and seemingly prescient Bitcoin price predictions. As of March 23, 2025, his forecasts, particularly those tied to specific dates and price levels, have sparked widespread discussion due to their accuracy and ambitious scope. Here is a detailed analysis of Mandell's Bitcoin price predictions, based on available information from web sources and market context. Background on Josh Mandell. Professional experience. Mandell is a seasoned trader who claims to have worked at Salomon Brothers, a major Wall Street firm in the 1990s, and Caxton Associates, a prestigious hedge fund managing over $12 billion. His bio and posts suggest decades of trading experience in traditional finance before transitioning to crypto. Crypto engagement. Since at least 2024, Mandell has been actively trading Bitcoin and MicroStrategy stock, sharing insights publicly on X. He reportedly turned a $2.1 million portfolio into $23 million in a year, per posts on X, building credibility among followers. Reputation. Known for cryptic, poetic posts, Mandell blends technical analysis, market intuition, and macroeconomic musings, often referencing historical patterns like the fourth turning. Mandell's key Bitcoin price predictions. Mandell's predictions center on two major price targets for Bitcoin in the current cycle: $84,000 as a base, and $444,000 as a potential peak. Here's a detailed breakdown. The $84,000 prediction: March 14, 2025. Initial call. On November 5 or 6, 2024, when Bitcoin traded at $74,000, Mandell posted on X predicting Bitcoin would close at exactly $84,000 on March 14, 2025, known as Pi Day. His post, framed lyrically, stated, "I choose mid-March. March 14, 2025 Pi Day. $BTC equals 84K. Outcome. On March 14, 2025, Bitcoin closed at $84,000, aligning perfectly with his forecast made 129 to 132 days earlier. This precision, to the day and price, stunned observers, with X posts calling it one in infinity odds. Context. Bitcoin had hit $109,079 in December 2024 amid U.S. policy shifts, then pulled back to the $95,000 range by early 2025 due to profit-taking and volatility. Mandell's call coincided with a stabilization phase, reinforcing his credibility. Mandell's reaction. Post-fulfillment, he wrote on X, close between 80K and 84K means the rally can continue, probably up to 100K by month end. If it closes at 84K exactly, we run the table. Historic moves. He suggested $84,000 as a springboard, not a peak. The $444,000 prediction. Initial call. In the same November 2024 post, Mandell hinted at a longer-term target, 360 more. A trio of fours, times a grand, interpreted as $444,000, 360 plus 84 equals 444, with trio of fours signaling 444K. He later clarified on X and in Spaces that Bitcoin could hit $440,000 to $444,000 by year-end 2025 or into 2026. Timing. Mandell ties this to lunar cycles and historical market rhythms. Supporting claims. In a January 12, 2025, X Space hosted by a gladiatormster, Mandell predicted $400,000 to $440,000 for Bitcoin and $3,500 to $4,500 for MSTR stock, framing it as a cycle top. On March 16, 2025, he reiterated confidence, reportedly longing MSTR again after shorting it profitably from $105,000 to $84,000, earning $21 million. Rationale. Mandell's posts suggest a mix of technical analysis, macroeconomic trends, and a fourth turning crisis narrative, where Bitcoin thrives amid societal upheaval. C. Interim target. $100,000 by March 31, 2025. Prediction. Post $84,000 fulfillment, Mandell forecasted a modest continuation to $100,000 by month end, per his March 15 X post. Not the rare explosion, but a move up to 100K. Context. Bitcoin hovered around $86,000 by March 23, per web reports, needing a 16% rise in 8 days. A plausible but aggressive short-term target given recent volatility. Methodology and evidence. Mandell has not fully disclosed his exact reasoning, but clues emerge from his posts and market commentary. Technical analysis. References to chart patterns and key levels suggest he uses support, resistance zones, possibly Fibonacci retracements. His $84,000 call respected Bitcoin's post-December correction. Historical patterns. He draws from 30-year-old Wall Street rules, possibly tied to options trading or market cycles, combined with Bitcoin's halving cycles. Macro factors. Mandell cites U.S. policy shifts and institutional inflows. His fourth turning nod implies Bitcoin as a hedge against economic crisis. Intuition. His cryptic style hints at a gut-driven approach refined by experience, though some on X speculate precognition or market influence. 4. Market reception and credibility. Supporters. X users like BTC Bull Rider, Coin Bureau, and Gladiator MSTR hail Mandell as a legendary trader or time traveler for nailing $84,000. Samson Mo tweeted, "If Josh Mandell is right, Omega candles are coming, signaling massive upside." Skeptics. Some view it as coincidence or a self-fulfilling prophecy, given Bitcoin's volatility and Mandell's growing influence. Critics on X note he doesn't control $10 billion of liquidity, questioning his predictive power. Profit proof. His reported $21 million gain shorting MSTR from $105,000 to $84,000, then longing it again, bolsters his trader bona fides, per Denomime's March 16 X post. 5. Potential outcomes and implications. Short term, a rally to $100,000 aligns with current bullish sentiment. Success here could further cement Mandell's reputation. Cycle peak $444,000. Reaching $444,000 by late 2025 implies a 5x gain from $84,000. A stretch but not impossible given past cycles. It would require sustained institutional buying, policy tailwinds, and retail FOMO. Analysts like Cathie Wood $1 million by 2030 and Saylor $13 million by 2045 set even higher bars, framing Mandell's target as conservative among mega bulls. Risks. A failure to hit $100,000 soon or macroeconomic shocks could derail the timeline. A 2026 crash, as some X followers predict, fits historical post-halving patterns. 6. Conclusion. Josh Mandell's Bitcoin price predictions: $84,000 on March 14, 2025, $100,000 by March 31, and $444,000 as a cycle peak, blend technical savvy, historical insight, and a flair for the dramatic. His uncanny accuracy on the $84,000 call, backed by profitable trades, has made him a crypto oracle for many. While his $444,000 target is ambitious, it rides a wave of optimism tied to Bitcoin's 2025 trajectory, U.S. policy shifts, and his own mystique. Whether driven by skill, luck, or influence, Mandell's forecasts are a focal point in the crypto narrative, and the time will tell if his prophecy fully unfolds. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos and stock analyses, please click the like button and subscribe the channel.